Want to increase your business profits without losing customers? In today's episode, we'll reveal expert pricing strategies that industry leaders use to maximize revenue while keeping customers happy. Stick around to learn how to price like a pro. Successful businesses don't just add a markup to their costs. They price based on the value their product provides to customers. This allows them to charge more while still delivering great perceived value. Offer tiered pricing to cater to different customer segments. By creating basic, premium, and deluxe options, you can attract more customers and upsell them to higher tiers. Anchoring is a powerful psychological tactic. Position a higher-priced option as the anchor, making the mid-tier option appear more affordable and desirable. This increases the likelihood that customers will choose the mid-tier option. Small changes, like pricing items at $49.99 instead of $50, make a big difference in sales. This is known as charm pricing. It feels lower to customers and triggers more purchases, even though the difference is just a cent. Dynamic pricing lets you adjust prices in real time based on demand. During peak times, raise prices to capture more profit. When demand is low, offer discounts to drive sales. This strategy ensures you stay competitive while optimizing profits. Offer a popular product at a low price to attract customers. Once they're engaged, upsell them on high-margin add-ons or services. This loss leader strategy brings in customers who are likely to spend more. Veteran business owners know that pricing isn't set it and forget it. Regularly review your pricing strategies based on market changes, competitor actions, and customer feedback. Adaptation is key to staying profitable and competitive. Ready to boost your profits while keeping your customers happy? Try these expert pricing strategies and let us know which one works best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more business insights. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share to spread the word. Drop a comment with your thoughts, experiences, or tips. They could really help the community. Let's grow and succeed together.